Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a delicious, quick and easy lunch or light dinner. We're going to be making a fabulous Southwest style turkey club wrap. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a Southwestern club wrap. It's a really nice, light way to have your lunch. We're going to make a delicious, creamy taco spread. We're going to put that on. We're going to do guacamole, and of course, all of the usual suspects. I have some smoked turkey, some crispy bacon, some lettuce, and some tomato. Of course, you can put whatever else you like on yours, but this is very similar to a California club, only we're going to be making it in a tortilla wrap, which I have warming on the stove. And first we have to make our taco spread. So this is just super easy. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna have a half a cup each of sour cream and room temperature cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Now you can just use one envelope if you like. I'm using 2 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning, and if you guys want that recipe, I will leave it linked down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cream cheese in here. It's nice and soft. And I'm just gonna give it a bit of a mix just to, break it up a bit. No need to get out the whisk or mixer or anything. I'm just using a spatula because this is gonna work just fine. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the sour cream, and we're gonna give this a mix. This could also be used as a fantastic dip. Put this out with some crackers or some chips, some crunchy veggies. Add in your taco seasoning. Mix it up real well. And there you have a delicious sandwich spread or dip. All right, so I just heated this tortilla on a on my griddle on the top of the stove. You can stick this and roll it up in a paper towel and stick it in the microwave, and it'll work just fine. If you don't want to make a wrap with a tortilla, you can use a low carb wrap. You can do this with lettuce. I went ahead and put the taco spread all over. Lettuce. I think I'm going to add the guacamole right here on the lettuce. Not too much, but you can add however much you like. We're going to do our turkey. I'm going to do 4 slices. Our bacon, 3 slices. And then we're going to do our tomato. And I'm going to put these toward the center so that they will get wrapped up and they won't be a problem when we cut it open. So then we're going to just take our wrap and we're going to start rolling tightly. And there's your wrap right there. Then we're going to go ahead and use our sharp knife. And there's our delicious Southwest club wrap. I'm going to go ahead and plate this, and I'll be right back. Well, there's our Southwestern style turkey club wrap all ready to enjoy for lunch or light dinner, along with our taco spread, our guacamole, and all of the usual suspects as I explained: turkey, bacon, lettuce, tomato. And you can add whatever you want in here, whatever you prefer. So I hope this inspires you, especially during these super hot late summer evenings. Sometimes this is just the perfect thing to have for a light dinner after a long day. You don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. You want to use what you have on hand, and you want it to be fast. And that's what this is.
And delicious.
And delicious, right. So I hope you give this a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.